Whenever you dip a light object inside a liquid, it comes up. Why does it come up? It comes up because liquids apply an upward buoyant force due to pressure difference at 2 points. Now, the question is, can solids also apply buoyant force? I have this bunch of rice particles. Can these rice particles apply buoyant force? Well, we will do an activity and find out. There is a container filled with rice and I am going to submerge few tennis balls inside it. Now, is buoyant force acting on the balls? Yes, it is acting, but due to friction between the rice particles, the balls are not able to come up. Now we'll give the rice a little shake and then we'll see what happens. There you go, first, second, third, and now fourth ball. All of these balls came up. It's all because of buoyant force being applied by rice. All we need to do is to remove friction just by giving a little shake. Now we'll repeat same activity, but instead of using rice, we will use small thermocol particles and we will dip same tennis balls inside those bunch of particles. So now these table tennis balls are fully submerged. Now you don't see any of the balls coming up. Interesting. Now why are balls not coming up? It's because balls are heavier than the thermocol balls and the buoyant force applied by the thermocol balls are not enough. After some time, the balls will reach to the bottom of the surface. If you look carefully, you can find few tennis balls already at the surface. Look here, as well as here. Isn't it amazing? Even solids can apply a buoyant force. Now I am going to dip these 4 iron balls inside rice and shake the rice container a bit. Now the question is, will these iron balls sink or will these float? Well, think about it till we set up the experiment. Now watch these 4 balls being dipped inside rice, and we'll also dip tennis balls alongside and we'll give a gentle shake. And did you see? All the tennis balls came up while there's no sign of iron balls anywhere. They are in fact sinking down due to their heavy weight. Similar thing happens inside water. Heavier things sink down while lighter objects come up. So let us find out the balls. They are deep inside rice. It's difficult to find. Some of them might have reached the bottom of the container. Isn't it amazing? The solid rice can apply buoyant force.